lovers, it's Liv and welcome back to another first impression slash demo slash review. Today we are jumping into our Live in Love with You self-love retreat tote goodie bag as well as the self-love festival goodie bag, and we're going to be trying out this bad boy. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. The last time I used Curls was like 4 to 5 years ago. I did a bomb twist out. It was dope. It went viral. You guys loved it, and I haven't used the brand since, so I'm really excited to try this out today. It says that it's perfect for twist outs and braid out, so let's put that to the test today, and without further ado, let's get started. We're going to get started by working on old dry hair, beginning by finding our desired part. I preferred mine to the side, and then following that part all the way into the back, separating the hair into 2 big chunks. We're going to take the smaller chunk and bantu knot it out of the way, then working on the thicker side and separating that into 2 as well, bantu knotting each section out of the way for a total of 3 sections. Great, now working with one of our sections to begin, we are going to separate it into 3 equal sections, making sure to bantu knot those sections yet again out of the way so that we can focus on one section at a time. Now that we're all sectioned, let's begin with the section in the back. My hair is dry and it is tangled, girl, but we're going to begin by moving our fingers down to the very end of our hair, leaving about 2 inches left, saturating it generously with water before working it into the rest of the hair shaft. Grabbing the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, which smells amazing, we're going to take a generous amount, applying it first to the ends, making sure that it's saturated there before painting it onto the length of the hair as well, using my fingertips to finger detangle and massage it in. What I found interesting is that although the product is thick, it took nothing for it to absorb into my hair strands. Grabbing a Denman brush to help me distribute the product evenly and helping me release any knots or tangles. Once detangled, we're going to separate into 3 sections in length and size and to begin the braiding technique. While braiding, I like to make sure that my hair is taut and tight. Starting with 3 equal sections ensures that there'll be no adding hair from any of the sections, which reduces frizz and enhances definition. Once we get all the way down to the ends and we have about 2 to 3 inches left, hold it taut, grab the Denman, brush it out, and then continue by splitting it into 2 and twisting the remainder down, twirling the ends around your fingers to keep it in place. Let's continue the technique by grabbing another section, saturating the ends with water, massaging it in, grabbing our Twist and Shout Cream and applying it to the ends and the length of the hair before working it in with our fingertips, and then grabbing a Denman to help us further detangle. Once detangled, separate into 3 sections for length and size, and then continue to braid all the way down, twisting at the very ends and then twirling it all together. Now, halfway in, I wasn't sure if I used too much product, but we'll figure it out. Just continue the technique until we're finished with that section. I finished off that section with a total of 3 braids. Now to move on to the next bantu knotted section, open it up and separate it into 3, bantu knot it up, and now let's begin by working one section at a time. Following the same technique, adding water, then adding the cream, massaging it through, then using a Denman brush, separating it into 3, braiding all the way down, twisting what is left, and then twirling the ends together. Now for this last section, we're going to do things a little bit differently, this time separating it into 4 and bantu knotting all those sections together. This will make sure that we have more definition in the front section of our hair. The next step is simple, just continue the braiding technique. Finishing everything off with a total of 10 braids, the next step is satin scarf and bed. Takedown in the morning is super easy. We're going to work 1 braid at a time. I learned this really cool trick. You're going to take out the twist first, then tug on the 2 longest pieces, and boom, your braid unravels itself. Look at all of that definition minus the frizz. The next step is to separate our hair to add more volume and fluff by separating it where it naturally would like to separate. Lastly, grab some aloe vera gel, place it onto your edges, and use a soft brush to brush it in. And then we're done! guys think. I think it's super cute. I love how fluffy it is. Look how fluffy. Now here is some things, let's get into these details. Here's some things that I learned about this bad boy. So for the Blueberry Bliss Twisted Shell Cream, I learned that working in smaller sections with less product gives you more definition and more shine. So in the front here, I have sections that were smaller, and you can see that there's way more definition in the front than there is in the back. But if you're going for like a really fluffy look, then using bigger sections and way more product gives you all of this fluff in the back, which is really cool. So I actually like how the back is kind of fluffy and the front is really defined. I really like it. It's so fluffy. Another thing that I really love is the smell and the consistency. The consistency is so weird because look, it's goopy, but if you were to like pick it up, like it won't leave your finger. Isn't that so cool? The shine and the moisture that it gave me, definitely true to the bottle. Yep, I like this. Like, I can't get over the fluff. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving me a big thumbs up, commenting down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and never forget to live in love with you.